participation in the Spring Cloche Collab hosted by Kimberly Davis of DIVA Designing on a Dime. I'm using the following items. These are all items that I have on hand. I've used them in other decor in the past or leftover pieces from DIYs. The ceramic cake plate that you see is actually from the Target Dollar Spot. They do have these every year in different colors and variations of the design. I'm pretty sure these were either $3 or $5. The small cloche that I've decided to use is actually from a cheese board that I have. I have taller ones and shorter ones, but I decided to go ahead and use this shorter one because of where I'm going to place it. I'm also using this little ceramic bird. They have these seasonally at Michael's stores. This one was from a local Michael's store for about $2. This is just a faux grass covered rock. It's from a bag of them that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. Since my cake plate is small, I decided to go ahead and just use small pieces just so it's not overcrowded. I have a couple of succulents. These succulents are from Dollar Tree. This year I've seen them as well as Dollar Tree. I've seen them at Michael's and even at Target and the Dollar Spot. They have potted ones and the ones on the stem at Dollar Tree, and they're each $1 each design. And I've got some leftover Spanish moss. This is just a handful of it left over from a bag of a previous project. As I mentioned before, you can utilize cake plates with covers or domes to them. This one I use for multiple purposes. You can use them on buffets to display very simple decor like I'm going to create here for the season without spending any real extra money on it. This is something that you can do for every season that you desire and create very simple seasonal looks without, blowing your budget. I love to purchase versatile pieces for my decor, and I love to reuse pieces that I already have. It's just not necessary, in my opinion, to buy something brand new every season.